Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo guys, this video is going to be showing you how to get mods on Gorilla Tag. Now before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because so many of my viewers are not subscribed. And I'm always creating updated tutorials showing you how to get mods and free stuff in Gorilla Tag. So guys, this is the easiest method to get mods on Gorilla Tag because this uses a promo code, guys. So this is a simple code that you can enter into the Gorilla Tag redeem code part of the computer in-game, and is gonna get you a secret mod menu, and this actually requires no PC and no Discord. So all you need to do is follow the instructions to get your Gorilla Tag promo code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in-game. So let's get into it, guys. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. Like I said, this is a no PC method, so just use your mobile to obtain your Gorilla Tag code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in the computer. So head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it like this. You can pause the video and copy the address here. Pretty easy, guys, Cold Coupons. And when you reach this page, to speed up the process of finding the Gorilla Tag code page, I do recommend just using that search bar at the top of the screen and typing in Gorilla Tag. Now, when you reach this page, guys, there are a few different codes, and these are really popular as well. So go ahead and scroll down and look for this code, guys. Gorilla Tag secret mod menu. Get access to the mod menu in Gorilla Tag. So this is a simple method. Like I said, this is just a promo code that you can redeem in Gorilla Tag, and it is going to unlock a pre-existing mod menu. So this is like a secret mod menu that's already in-game. You just need to unlock it using this code. As you can see, your Gorilla Tag mods code is locked and hidden. That's because these are limited codes and these are one-time use, guys. So you can only use this code once. So to get yours, click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see a new page that's going to tell you how to get your mod menu code. So it says here, complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons, and follow the instructions below each one. So basically, guys, you need to complete 2 tasks that you see on this page. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down and there is a bunch of different things here. These are basically like free surveys, installing and playing mobile games. Basically, you just need to follow the instructions. That small description tells you exactly how to complete each specific task. So complete 2 of them, and if you do that, it will redirect you back to this page. I did this earlier, and your Gorilla Tag mod menu code will be fully displayed here. So the full code will be shown in the box. You redeem it in the Gorilla Tag redeem code part of the PC in-game, and that is how to get mods on Gorilla Tag in 2026. This is the fastest and easiest method because this is a no PC, no Discord, and it is no third-party downloads, guys. This is a simple Gorilla Tag code that's going to unlock the pre-existing hidden mod menu. So head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, guys, just let me know, but it is pretty simple. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.